I am Revathi, Assistant Professor, Department of EEE, SNS College of Engineering. In this lecture series video of electron devices and circuits, today's topic is diffusion and transition capacitance, where the topic outlines are introduction, capacitance, types of capacitance in PN junction diode, diffusion capacitance, transition capacitance. In PN junction diode, two types of capacitance takes place. There are transition capacitance, which is also known as CT, and diffusion capacitance, which is also known as CD. A transition capacitance CD, a battery connected in the reverse bias characteristics with its depletion layer, which is also similar to that of PN junction, where the P type is filled with holes and minority carrier is electrons, and where the N type is filled with electrons and the minority carrier is hole. There is some free electrons flowing through the layer and forms the positive ions and negative ions in the circuits. In the reverse biased diode, the transition capacitance exists. However, the transition capacitance is very small compared to the diffusion capacitance. Hence, the amount of capacitance changed with increase in voltage is called transition capacitance. The transition capacitance is also known as depletion layer capacitance, junction capacitance, or barrier capacitance, where this junction depletion layer region or barrier capacitance is also known as in the wide depletion region. A transition capacitance is denoted as CT. Transition capacitance is neglected in the forward bias condition. The change of capacitance at the depletion region can be defined as the change in electric charge per change in voltage. CT, that's equal to TQ divided by TV, where the CT denotes for transition capacitance, TQ is for change in electric charges, dV is for change in voltage. The transition capacitance can be mathematically written as C equal to CT, that's equal to epsilon A divided by W. And epsilon is permittivity of the semiconductor, A equal to area of plates or P type and N type region, W is width of the depletion region. Where the diffusion capacitance occurs in a forward bias PN junction diode. Diffusion capacitance is also sometimes referred as storage capacitance. It denotes as CD. In a forward bias diode, diffusion capacitance is much larger than the transition capacitance. Hence, diffusion capacitance is considered in forward bias diode. By the diffusion capacitance, a narrow depletion layer is created in between anode and cathode, where that layer is known as PN junction. A majority holes and a minority holes, where the majority electrons and minority electrons attract each other to fill the void, where the combinations of an voltage and holes occurs, where the region is created and the narrow depletion layer is also created, where the V supply is forward biased condition. In the similar way, if small electric current flows through the diode, only a small amount of charge is accumulated near the depletion layer. As a result, small diffusion capacitor occurs when the width of depletion layer decreases. The diffusion capacitance increases. The diffusion capacitance value will be in the range of nanofarads NF to microfarad mu F. The formula of diffusion capacitance is CD, that's equal to TQ by dV. Where MCQ, diffusion capacitance is larger than transition capacitance. Where the following options are given below. Answer. On answer B, that is hence false. Where the explanation is diffusion capacitance occurs in a forward biased diode. Transition capacitance is easy to see in reverse bias. CD greater than CT for a forward bias junction. In reverse bias through, CD may be neglected compared to CT. And the second question is, for a diode, the transition capacitance was 10 picofarad. The depletion width changed from 1 micromilli to 10 micromilli or meter. All other conditions remains unchanged. The new diode capacitance is, the answer is C. 1 pf, where the equation of transition capacitance permit since depletion width increases 10 times and all other quantities are the same, the capacitance decreases by 10 times. The diode has a transition capacitance of 1 pf and depletion width of 1 microamp. The capacitance changes to 10 pf when the depletion width changes. The final depletion width is B, 0.1 microamp. Thank you.